A Bachelor of Public Administration simply highlights the importance of dedication and integrity in making a positive difference in the lives of others through public service. My name is Christian Riquina Managdeg. I am 20 years old and I resided at Winter Valley City, Bukidnon. I graduated from St. Trapela Mary School year 2023 at Caloocan, Manila City. My ethnicity is Ilocano because my father is from Ilocos Norte, a place where Ilocanos reside. My hobbies are watching movies with genres of horror, romance, and fantasy. During recreational activities and eating, my interest in life is doing all the things that makes my life happy, specifically transforming faces of ladies and gentlemen as I'm proud makeup artist. This academic year, I have a great expectation for my classmates. I anticipated that we are all united in terms of respecting and understanding one another, in terms of varying opinions, ideas, and thoughts, and I do hope that everyone in this class will show their willingness to collaborate and learn together for the reading. Philippine history subject, I hope that it will enhance my knowledge about the nation's past, specifically the major historical events, cultural development, and the lives and works of every Filipino from the colonizer. And for our subject teacher, I hope that you will be a good teacher to us by creating a positive learning environment, effectively communicating information and providing constructive feedback. History is the record of human action and experience over time. It helps us understand how societies develop and how past events, people, and ideas shape the present. Studying history allows us to learn from past mistakes, make informed decisions, and better understand current issues by tracing their roots in Philippine history. Examining different perspectives and sources is essential to get a fuller, more accurate picture of the present. It helps us to recognize diverse voices, especially often overlooked and depends on appreciation for our cultural heritage. This knowledge promotes empathy, critical thinking, and a stronger sense of national identity.